This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to reset your home screen layout on your Samsung phone. So if this layout is all goofy and you want to reset it, just go to the top right and go to settings. Scrolling down to apps. So we can see apps right here. Tap that. Then we are looking for One UI Home on our Samsung device. On your other devices, look for something with the word launcher in it. So under here we can find One UI Home. This is going to be a little bit different on our Samsung phone. Now if you can't find it, just go to search. I can see it right here. Then go on down to storage. Then go to clear data. Now go back to the home screen. And the home screen is being reset right now. So it's loading in and we're good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.